My name is Gene Hall. I'm head chef here at Preserve, and we are located in between Napa County and Davis. What makes us special at Preserve is the preserves that we do, staying true to the name, preserving every item that comes in peak season, getting to play outside of the seasons. So we are a farm-to-table restaurant. We do work with all the local farmers around the area. So with our preserves that we do, we're drying them, we're making powders, confiting them, jams, marmalades, jellies, and then our charcuterie as well. We're doing a lot of our own charcuterie here. So there's no need to go anywhere, and why not, present these items right here and showcase everybody around here. Not only do we get to use a product that they care about themselves, but we also get to help support their family at the end of the day. I think that's probably the most important thing. So when somebody comes into Preserve, we want them to feel at home, comfortable. We don't want them to feel out of place, and just fun.